Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-Alaikum friends, my YouTube channel. I hope so friends you will enjoying its beautiful style ideas, new and versatile information I'm sharing with you, and you can like its beautiful ideas and that's are completely different to each other. Hope so guys you will like its beautiful style ideas where I'm sharing with you, and you can gain new and different ideas where I'm introducing with you. I hope so friends you like this video and looking so beautiful and versatile ideas. Hope so guys you like this video and you can gain new and different ideas. Just looking so beautiful ideas where I'm sharing with you, and you can enjoy the new and versatile ideas. I hope so friends you like its beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other, and you can enjoy its beautiful ideas where I'm sharing with you, and you can enjoy the beautiful and versatile collection ideas where I'm introducing with you. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoy its beautiful ideas where I'm sharing with you. You can like its beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other. Elegant pebble design, beautiful painting ideas I'm introducing in this video. That's looking so beautiful ideas, and hope so guys you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoy this beautiful and new luckiest ideas, having a sum of beautiful ideas. Hopefully guys you like this video and you can enjoy the newly ideas that's looking so awesome. You can enjoy the beautiful style ideas where I'm introducing with you, and you like this video. Hopefully friends you will enjoy its beautiful style ideas, new and versatile information that's looking such a great ideas and elegant designs where I'm sharing with you. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoy this beautiful ideas where I'm sharing with you, and you can gain new different ideas. So friends you will enjoy this beautiful ideas where I'm introducing, and you can gain new different ideas that's looking so beautiful design ideas where I'm sharing. And friends hope so you can gain new and different style ideas, that's beautiful styles, new and looking ideas where I'm introducing.